taking this out for our last drive, and kind of warmed up in the driveway for a while. Not going to do anything just showing it's a nice, smooth, livable Sunday driver right now. It's a beautiful Saturday to be driving. Got my cameraman Trent here, my youngest son, who's been hounding me for this last ride. I think they're covering up the microphone.
Why not?
Where's the microphone?
I guess it. Well, I'm not covering it.
So I'm going to open it up a little bit. I'm still not going to. I'm going to make sure it's straightened out in first gear and all that stuff before I open it up, because it's a handful if you don't. And we'll let that get plenty far in front of us. Okay. Straightened out. And 1500 RPMs when I get it. So it was breaking loose at the power band all the way through first, second, and into third gear. It's a whole lot better. It still moves a little bit to the left.